I'm back. Did you find your Play-Doh and your green math book? Handy dandy. Good, good. So we are going to pretend our Play-Doh is, well, it's going to be beads, right? But our beads are just going to be little tiny Play-Doh balls. So if you don't have Play-Doh, remember that's okay, right? We don't mind. You are going to draw it on your dry erase board if you don't have Play-Doh. Or a lot of you use kinetic sand, which is perfectly fine. It's quite fun. I just don't have a lot of it. Use that. So right now, while I turn the camera on, I am going to keep my dry erase board handy because it does help me to write down the math facts that we do. So make sure you have an eraser and dry erase marker handy for that job. But first number of beads you're going to make. So Alexander, bam, you're turning into beads. You're going to make 10 of, no, I sucked up. I meant 9 of them. Make 9 beads on your board with some Play-Doh. And if you don't want to use Play-Doh, remember, draw it or use your kinetic sand. So I will turn that to the camera part right now. We're going to make 9 of them on our little board. So you need 9 beads ready to go. And they don't have to be the most beautiful beads because if your Play-Doh gets a little bit crumbly, no big deal, but try to keep it on the table so your parents know that it's nice and neat and you didn't make a mess. So you need 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, that's too big. 6, 7, 8, 9. You should have 9 beads. So I always like to label when I'm doing it. So make it say 9. So when it says 9, you are now going to do some takeaway, which takeaway is a synonym for subtraction. You're going to take away 8 of them. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Now you might be able to do it without picking them up, but in my mind, I like to smush them and think of the taking away 8 so I could see it better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. Good job. Good job. Now you're going to take this and let's make that related fact, right? Where you're like, oh, well, the related fact would be 8 plus 1 equals 9. Why don't you write that now? Good work. Okay, now we're going to do it again. Erase all those pieces, make 9. So we need 9 beads again. And then this time we're not going to take away 8. So get ready. We need 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put them just like that. I better make sure I have those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 7 this time. So now instead of taking away 8, you're going to take away 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 minus 7 is 1, 2. Oh, did you notice anything? Because the other one was 9 minus 8 equals 1. But look at when these change. 9 minus 7, so it goes down 1 number and up 1 number. Down 1 number, up 1 number. If you're like, whoa, Miss Jones, what are you talking about? Let's do another one. This time, clean it off. We're going to do 9 again. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good work. 9 minus, don't forget to write it, 9 minus, and you're going to take away 9. 9 minus 9. Oh, when you take away the same number, 9 minus 9 is, oh, it's 0. That one was simple. Nice job. Okay, what I'd like you to do is clean up your Play-Doh and grab your green math book. So I'll give you about 1 minute to clean up. I'll meet you back here with your math book ready. Clean your hands so you're tidy and set for the next job. Here it comes. Oh, I got lots of Post-its going on at my at school. Clean my hands. You got it. Switch them all out. Put away your Play-Doh. Wipe up your mess if you need to. And then I'm going to make it really big because it looks like it's kind of hard for you all to see that. Now, let's hope it is super big that way. You are looking for the page 171. I am going to write it nice and big for you to see. 100, 171, 171, 171. Find that page now. If you're looking, you're going to look and find some beads and some places for us to make a beautiful picture today. Let's do that way. Sorry, I'm still learning how to use my document camera at school now. All those learning things. Write your name. Write the date by yourself because we're actually all doing this on different days, and that's okay. We're going to be flexible and figure it out. So it says use these 5 groups, which they made for you, and cross off those numbers. So the first one says 9 minus 8. So you're crossing off 8. So you're thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 minus 8 is what's left in there? 1. Now you're going to reverse it, and they still drew for you. Now you're going to say 9 minus 1. There you go, I cross off 1. Well, look at, my answer is here in front of me and here in front of me. I could count them, but that seems like it's gonna take a while. I know that 9 minus 1 is 8. There we go. Here we go, we're gonna do it again, and it gets harder as we move on because we have to make the number sentence. 9 minus 7, let's cross off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do you notice is left? 2. Now I'll help you with this part. Here you go. You're going to say 9 minus 2 equals, all right, are you ready? So here's those 9, cross off 2, 1, 2. Or look up here in that number sentence to find your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Those are also, I like to call them turnaround facts or flip-flop facts. They're also related facts. They have all sorts of names to go by. Oh boy, they turned them on us. Phew, you can't trick us. We're going to persevere. It says 9 minus 9. Oh, I love doing these. 9 minus 9. That means cross off all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? Oh yeah, it's 0. Okay, now we're going to write it. 9 minus 0 equals, what does it equal? Well, here's our 9. Don't cross off any. Still 9. Nice job. Now this one, I told you we get to draw today. We're going to draw the beads for them. And we know that we need 9. Oh, everybody gets 9 beads. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, I know that's kind of hard to draw, and that's okay. I'm choosing to only draw 1 picture in each box. If you want to, you can draw 9 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you do it twice. I'm going to make it a little bit quicker and easier for us, simpler for us by only drawing 1. 9 minus 6, let's cross off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you notice is left? 1, 2, 3. You're going to write 3. Now we're going to make the number sentence, but we're going to turn it around. 9 minus 3 equals something. 9 minus 3 equals something. The answer is in front of us, but if we feel like, oh no, I don't know what that means, cross it off and do it by yourself. 1, 2, 3. Count all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, time to draw again. We're drawing 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This time we're crossing off 4. 9 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm ever going too fast, you know you have the pause button that you can just turn me off for just a second by pausing and come back to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now we're going to turn the fact around and make it a related fact. 9 minus 5 equals, right, here's where I said I didn't want to draw again because I want to make it simple and quick. You're right. It's 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here we go. Let's draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it. Wait, I noticed we did that already. Now, though, it's not going to say 9 minus 3. It's going to say 9 minus 6 equals, what does it equal? 3. Super. Turn the page, and I'm going to show you the next problems, which look like this. We're now on page 172. So all I did was turn the page, everybody. Here's where we're going to look, and it says, here you subtract, then write the related subtraction sentence. Make a math drawing if we need. So if you could do it without a math drawing, that would be fine. 9 minus 5. So I think I do want a little bit of a math drawing where I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Big number here, 9 minus 5 equals something, but I don't know what it equals. I'm going to figure it out. Okay, take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I write it here, I write it there. Now, we're going to turn the fact around and make it a related fact. 9 minus 4 equals 9 minus 4 equals 5. Nice job. Okay, now you have 9 minus 8. This time, let's try it without it, and let's use our hands. I have 9 fingers. Now I have 9 fingers. Take down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer? Yeah, it's 1. What 1? Now you're going to write the related fact. 9 minus 1 equals, what does it equal? Yeah, it equals 8. Okay. Would you like to try it the quick way again? Okay, 9 fingers. Here we go. Helps if I put them in the screen. Sorry, my marker is rolling away. Take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's left? 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Super. Okay, come over here. 9 minus 3. Let's see if we can just think about that. 9 minus 3. Wait, I remember doing it. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, now we're going to do it again. 9, and we're going to turn it around. Minus 6 equals 3. I know my numbers got big, but that's okay. Here is your last job for the day where it says, fill in the missing parts. Write the subtraction sentences here. 9 minus 0 is still, you got it, 9. Now I'm going to ask that you can just write 9 minus 0 equals 9. You can just write 1 in there because for me, that feels like it's not enough room for all of that. So go ahead and just write 1. 9 minus 2. Do you remember that we already did that up there? Go and look. 9 minus 2 is what? It's 7. So here's what we're going to write. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Your job is to finish those by yourself. You have 3 more to do. If you want a good challenge and you have time, feel free to do the homework page, which is on page 173. But your job is to finish those math problems. Nice job today. See you soon. Great work. Adios.